Namaskar. Myself Kunal Dhami. I am owner of Goyam Steel Industries. We are basically based at Metoda, GIDC, Rajkot. We are manufacturer of flanges and we also do CNC turn parts for tractor industries. We just shifted back last 2 years from Bombay. We have a unit, we were having a unit in Mumbai, and last 2 years we have shifted to Rajkot. We bought two Neotech CNC machines. First machine we bought in September 2020, NTF 250 by 750, and second machine we bought in March 2021, NTF 250 by 350. Currently we are doing CNC jobs of tractor parts. It's called planetary carrier, and we do some EN19 and cast irons bushings also. Neotech team, by support wise, it's very excellent. Each and every time when we call for technical support, वो लोग तुरंत हाजिर हो जाते हैं. Without any questions, without any arguments, they just come and help us whatever is there. The backup team is really good. We will definitely recommend Neotech CNCs. The reason is the service they provide. The team, the technical team are, as I told earlier, it's very good. So definitely we'll recommend CNC in future to everyone, and we are also going again and again to CNC Neotech machines.